My name is Benji Abad. I'm 48 years old. Father of 4, married. Itong Soup Kitchen, it started 2.5 years ago. Naglalakad ako along Quezon Avenue. Nakita ko yung dalawang bata kumakain ng fried chicken from the dumpster. So I asked myself, maaawa lang ba ako and that's the end of it? Or do I have to do something? Spur of the moment na nakita ko na Filipino children do not deserve to eat food from the dumpster. Mayaman yung bayan eh. Bakit kailangan may kumakain ng galing sa basurahan? So, right then and there, doon ako nag-decide, I have to do something. And ayun, sinimulan ko. For me, I do it because I can. May nagugutom eh. You don't have to be a hero to feed them, di ba? So, struggling kami. But I do believe God provides. Hindi ako makakasurvive feeding people 3 times a week kung hindi sumusuporta ang Panginoon. Mas madaling tumulong kaysa magdamot. One of my goals is to raise godly and unselfish children. Well, it's good to raise successful kids. But for me, it's better to have kind children. Not to be self-righteous, but to be practical. Ano ba ang dapat nating purpose sa mundo? Siguro yung maturuan yung mga bata na magmahal ng kapwa niya. Later on sa society, pagdating ng panahon na sila na yung nasa helm ng society, at least medyo magiging maayos ang palakad ng mga bata. Unang effect is yung enlightenment ng tao. Yung iba dyan, nadadaan lang. Nadadaan lang siya, nakikita niya, hihinto siya, biglang after a week, andyan na, tumutulong siya. Parang, yun, kailangan impact sa bata, maging kind eh. Kasi in these times, puro materialism eh. Kailangan gadgets and what have you. Nawawala na yung empathy. Doesn't matter 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 peso, 1 million. As long as you can do something for the needy, it's good.